Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Modernize. Welcome to a world where innovation knows no bounds, a world where machines are not just computing, but creating. Today we dive into the realm of generative AI, a groundbreaking technology reshaping the way we interact with machines and unlocking unprecedented possibilities. Generative AI is a class of artificial intelligence that takes data as input and generates new original content. Unlike traditional AI, which relies on explicit programming, generative models learn patterns and structures from vast datasets, enabling them to produce creative outputs. One of the most exciting applications of generative AI is in the world of art and design. Imagine algorithms creating unique visual masterpieces, designing innovative products, and even revolutionizing fashion. Generative AI is a tool for artists and creators to push the boundaries of their imagination. Beyond the canvas, generative AI is transforming industries. In healthcare, it aids drug discovery and medical imaging. In finance, it revolutionizes trading strategies. And in manufacturing, it optimizes processes and designs. The impact is far-reaching, with applications as diverse as the industries it touches. As we marvel at the capabilities of generative AI, it's essential to consider the ethical implications. Questions of bias, transparency, and responsible use arise. Striking a balance between innovation and ethical considerations is crucial as we navigate this transformative era. As generative AI continues to evolve, so does its potential. From personalized content creation to solving complex scientific challenges, the future is bright. Join us as we witness the next chapter in the journey of generative AI, where creativity knows no limits. In the ever-evolving landscape of art, a revolutionary force is reshaping the way we create and appreciate. Enter generative AI, a technological marvel that collaborates with artists to paint a future where creativity knows no bounds. Generative AI is not here to replace artists, it's here to collaborate. Imagine an artist with a digital palette blending their creativity with the algorithms of generative AI. The result is a harmonious marriage of human ingenuity and machine intelligence. Generative AI allows artists to explore new realms, pushing the boundaries of traditional art forms. From digital paintings that evoke emotions to sculptures that defy gravity, the possibilities are as diverse as the artists themselves. Let's hear from artists who have embraced generative AI. They describe how AI tools become an extension of their creative process, suggesting ideas, textures, and styles that might never have crossed their minds. Generative AI is not confined to the canvas. It's pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. Interactive installations, immersive experiences, and even AI-generated poetry showcase the limitless potential of this collaboration. As generative AI transforms the artistic landscape, it sparks discussions within the art community. Artists and critics explore questions of authorship, creativity, and the evolving relationship between the artist and their tools. Welcome to the fascinating world of generative AI, where algorithms create and innovate. In today's video, we'll explore how you can embark on the journey of learning generative AI, unraveling its mysteries, and unleashing your own creativity. Learning generative AI starts with understanding the basics. Familiarize yourself with concepts like neural networks, deep learning, and the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. Online courses, tutorials, and textbooks are excellent resources for building a solid foundation. Generative AI offers various paths, each catering to different interests. Are you fascinated by art? Dive into the world of creative applications. Interested in data science? Explore how generative AI enhances data analysis. Choose a path that aligns with your passion. Prerequisites: mathematics fundamentals. A solid understanding of linear algebra, calculus, and probability is crucial. Programming skills. Proficiency in a programming language, such as Python, is essential. Machine learning basics. Learn the fundamentals of machine learning, including supervised and unsupervised learning, as well as common algorithms. Neural networks. Understand the basics of neural networks, their architecture, and how they learn. Deep learning concepts. Dive deeper into deep learning concepts such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs. Frameworks. Familiarize yourself with popular deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Introduction to generative models. Explore the basics of generative models, including their types like variational autoencoders, VAEs, and generative adversarial networks, GANs. Hands-on projects. Implement simple generative models through tutorials and hands-on projects. Style transfer. Learn about style transfer techniques that apply artistic styles to images using generative models. Sequence generation. Explore generative models for sequence-to-sequence tasks, such as text or music generation. Advanced GANs. Dive deeper into GAN architectures, such as progressive GANs or conditional GANs. Attention mechanisms. Understand attention mechanisms which are crucial for tasks like image captioning and language translation. Language models. Explore language models like OpenAI's GPT, generative, pre-trained transformer. Text generation. Learn how to generate coherent and contextually relevant text using generative models. Implement end-to-end projects. Work on comprehensive projects that integrate generative AI into real-world applications. Experiment with datasets. Practice working with different datasets to understand the diverse applications of generative models. Follow research papers. Keep up with the latest research in generative AI by reading papers from conferences like NeuroPS, ICML, and CVPR. Online communities. Participate in online forums, communities, and attend meetups to connect with peers and experts in the field. Showcase your projects on GitHub to demonstrate your skills to potential employers or collaborators. Maintain a blog or documentation detailing your learning process and insights. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity offer comprehensive courses on generative AI. Renowned institutions and experts guide you through lectures, hands-on exercises, and real-world projects. These courses provide a structured learning experience. Theory comes to life through hands-on projects. Engage in coding exercises and practical applications. Platforms like GitHub host open-source projects where you can contribute and collaborate with the vibrant generative AI community. Frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch are the building blocks of generative AI. Experiment with these tools, implement your ideas, and gain insights through trial and error. Learning by doing is a powerful way to solidify your understanding. Connect with fellow learners and experts. Online forums like Reddit, R, Machine Learning, or attending AI meetups provide valuable insights, feedback, and a sense of community. Learning from others' experiences enriches your own journey. Generative AI is a rapidly evolving field. Stay informed by reading research papers, journals, and attending conferences. Follow key researchers and organizations to keep abreast of the latest advancements and emerging trends. As you progress, showcase your skills. Build a portfolio of your generative AI projects. This not only demonstrates your expertise, but also serves as a valuable asset when entering the field professionally. Learning generative AI is a rewarding journey that unfolds with curiosity, dedication, and a passion for innovation. Whether you're an aspiring data scientist, artist, or researcher, generative AI opens doors to creativity and possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of how we learn generative AI. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive exploration of technology evolution. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us in the ongoing conversation about the future of tech. This is Tech Modernize, where innovation knows no bounds. Until next time.